Hello, I'm Officer Nights2. We will learn about converse and contrapositive of a set. This video is not so long, using if and then statement. Firstly, we'll tell you about the contrapositive of a statement, if A, then B. The contrapositive becomes if not A, then not B. For example, if wise man is tall, then teenage friends have luminous colored spheres. The contrapositive of a statement becomes, if wise man is not tall, then teenage friends do not have luminous colored spheres. If a statement is true, then its contrapositive is true. If a statement is false, for example, if wise man is not tall, then teenage friends have luminous colored spheres, then its contrapositive is false. On the other hand, the converse of a statement, if A, then B. Then the converse of a statement becomes, if B, then A. Let's give another example. If Clarice goes to singing, then Elliot goes to basketball coaching. The converse of a statement becomes, if Elliot goes to basketball coaching, then Clarice goes to singing. Same way, if a statement is true, then its converse is true, and vice versa of false statement. The converse of a false statement is, if Clarice goes to basketball coaching, then Elliot goes to singing. Its actions are incorrect. You can create any examples like events, actions and many more. Like, comment, and subscribe now.